G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the link and we're happy to help you out. Okay, so I've just lifted this sheet out and I just want to show you a really dangerous thing. See, this is a wire that runs between the sheet and the batten, and it's not supposed to be there. Imagine if, when I'm screwing the roof back down, this is moved over to here and I put the screw straight through into it, then I electrify the roof and kill yourself. Right? The electrician or whoever did this shouldn't have done it like that. They should have run it underneath the batten. There's no way for me to fix it. I just got to be very, very careful when I'm putting it back down. But it's just another example of what could go wrong if you don't have a professional who knows what he's doing and thinking about these things, doing the job. So anyway, I'll get back to pulling out all of this rat infested poly and pump it with cellulose fibre. So